In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create dotted circle and arrow in Figma UI or UX design. By the end, you will know exactly how to turn simple shapes and lines into clean, dotted elements that look polished in any interface. Let's start with the dotted circle. Open your design in Figma so you are working on the right frame or canvas. Press the O key to activate the ellipse tool, then click and drag while holding Shift to create a perfect circle. With the circle selected, look to the right panel. Remove the fill so the inside is transparent, and add a stroke. If you want larger or smaller dots, remember that the stroke weight controls the dot size. So set a thickness that suits your design. Next, click the small settings icon in the stroke section to open the advanced stroke menu. Under the basic stroke settings, change the style to dashed. Set the dash length to 1 and switch the cap to round. That combination turns each tiny dash into a dot. To control the spacing between the dots, increase the gap value. A range of about 4 to 10 pixels works well for most circles. But this depends on your circle size and the stroke weight. Adjust until the spacing looks even and intentional. Now let's create a dotted arrow. Select the line tool by pressing L, then draw a line in the direction you want. If you want a perfectly horizontal or vertical line, hold Shift as you drag to keep it aligned. With the line selected, go to the stroke panel and open the endpoints dropdown. Choose triangle arrow for the end you want to point. This adds a clean arrowhead to your line. Open the advanced stroke menu again and set the style to dashed. Just like before, set the dash length to 1 and the cap to round. So the line becomes a series of dots. Then tweak the gap value to dial in the exact dotted effect you want. The same guidance applies here. Increase the gap for more space between dots. Decrease it for a tighter look. Keeping the cap set to round maintains that smooth, circular dot shape along the entire arrow. That's it. Thanks for watching.